Hi lovely viewers, it's me again, your one and only Mtati Mpundu. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more great content every week. Don't forget to leave a comment. Tell me what you think about this video in the comment section below. I'll be super glad to hear from you lovely viewers.
If you want to watch Siawan's truth, if you want to be liberated from your mind, if you want to start enjoying your blessing as an African person, I want you to subscribe to this YouTube page. Subscribe to this YouTube page. People that come to me are people that want to do extraordinary things. They want to prophesy deep things like name. They want to prophesy account number. You can watch the videos on my YouTube and see the work I do. They want to do those works. That's why they come to me. So those are the people that I help in that area. You are mouthpiece in Zambia. God bless you, real. But you know, for some time I decided not to speak about Zambia because it's my last broadcast have brought a lot of issues in the opposition in Zambia. They are saying Siawan turn against the opposition. Siawan is speaking against the opposition. Siawan want to fight the opposition. One thing you must know about me is consistency. I have consistency. When I stand on something, I don't leave it. When I stand on the truth, I stay on the truth. And I say the truth, whether you are my brother, you are my sister, whatever you are, when I see the truth, I must say the truth. My last broadcast was not against the opposition. I didn't say anything wrong against the opposition. It's just that political leaders are used to being praised. Even when they are not doing anything, they want to be praised. Even when they see that things are going wrong, they want to be praised. Me calling opposition to stand up and fight for their right, it's not bad. It's not bad. Okay, for example, for the past few days, I've not said anything about Zambia. You can see that the PF government is making a lot of blunders with impunity. You can see the statement by Dorasilia where she said corruption is in every country. We don't have to talk about it every day. You know, because I'm quiet. I'm not talking about it. They have grown wings. They have grown wings. They are doing things the way they like because there is no voice that is speaking for the voiceless. But opposition are there. That's why I was saying, you know, I cannot always be talking about Zambia. There are so many countries that are writing me. Like now, there is election in Malawi. A lot of politicians in Malawi have already written. A lot of politicians in Malawi are already making an appointment to come and see me here. Same as Botswana. From all over the world, people want to come. I can't always be talking about Zambia, when there is opposition there. I cannot turn against or turn against Harry Calabar or Chishimbakambwe. No, I am advising them. What I gave them is an advice. And some cadres, stupid cadres, are writing rubbish. Siawan is talking against HH. For what reason? What will I benefit? Why should I talk about HH when I am working very hard spiritually for him to become president? I don't hate him. I told him the truth. And that the reason why HH has not become the president is because of the people around him. Cowards that are telling him you are popular, this time is your time. How many times are you going to tell him that this time is your time? Huh? How many times are you going to tell HH this time is your time? You told him that in 2011. Is it his time? No. 2016, is it his time? No. You are telling him again. Instead of joining me to tell him the truth, so you say, Papa, stand up. Start going to offices. Start going to offices and start finding out what is going on. Don't speak from your bedroom. Don't speak from Facebook. Forget about the Bali. Of course, Bali. The people that will vote are not those people that are saying Bali today. The people that will vote are on the street. They don't even have phone that has WhatsApp. They don't have phone that has internet. Those are the people. As of Facebook now, every intellectual human being, everyone that is enlightened, that is on Facebook, everyone that is educated, that is on Facebook, there is no single person that is wise that will vote for PF. Because they know that PF have messed up the country. Every one of them are going to vote for HH. Now that HH has already captured the intellectuals, HH has captured people on Facebook. The next thing you have to do, HH, is to leave your bed and go on the street and go and capture the street. That is my advice to him. My advice was for him to rise up and stop talking here and go and meet people on the street. He can be posting on Facebook. He can be talking on Facebook. He can be working on Facebook. But the most important thing is go on the ground. Because now PF know that they are not going anywhere. PF know that if it's on Facebook today, their president will not even get their president has failed. But PF is going to capitalize on illiterate Zambians. They will go to the villages. They will go on the ground. They will go to the street and manipulate those people to vote for them. Now that HH has won on internet, I am advising him to go and meet the people on the street. But his cadres turn against me. His cadres are saying, see, I want to turn against our president. Turn against what? Are you mad? You are the same people that are deceiving Hakainde Hichilema. Believe me, you want to fight with him alone. We can leave you to fight. And next year you will cry again. You don't know PF. You know how many PF officials that are writing me now, trying to say, CR1, please work with us. If you think that you can make HH president from Facebook, we can leave you. I've seen all the things that the cadres, ungrateful idiots, have written against me. CR1 has turned against our president. Why should I turn against your president? If I want to turn against him, I will pick up phone and call him to say, I'm turning against you today. I don't need to I don't do corner thing. When I stand, I stand. What I'm saying is for all of us. See what is happening in Zambia. Chilufya Tayali was interrogating a minister. This case is a very big case. Opposition is quiet about it. If I don't talk about it, you will not talk about it. And if I talk about it, you say I turn against your president. Are you mad? I am giving you good advice. Even you youths, those of you that are writing there on Facebook, those of you that are writing rubbish against CR1, UPND youths, UPND cadres, you are writing rubbish against me because I'm trying to advise your president to work very, very hard, and you are writing rubbish against me. You are not even in power. What will happen when you go into power? It's stupid people like you that makes president. Like Edgar Lungu was a very good person. He was a very good person. He became stupid when he became president because he surrounded himself with idiots. And those are the type of people that have surrounded Hakainde Hichilema. We are telling him to do the right thing. And they are saying, CR1 is turning against our president. CR1 is speaking against our president. And most of you are even writing, CR1 want your president to come to me. Are you mad? So you mean if I want HH to come to me, I have to come on Facebook and announce? I can't call him to say come. You think if I tell him to come, he will not come? Are you mad? We are working together, but what kills leadership is when you surround yourself with people that only know how to praise you. Anything you do, they praise you. Anything you do, they praise you. If you are a leader and you find yourself with this type of people, you are not going anywhere. Believe me, if you are a leader and you are just, all of you are just licking the boot of your president. What is wrong with me saying Hakainde Hichilema, forget about Bali, go on the ground and capture people on the ground? You can't even advise him. Many of you can see that PF is confused. PF is confused. There is massive confusion in PF. You can't advise your president to make use of this opportunity. Are you okay? Somebody's fighting for you and you are busy blackmailing me. You are busy writing rubbish. I read some of your messages. Okay, I want you to continue. Continue with your president. Let him continue the slumbering campaign that he's doing. Today, there is coronavirus in Nigeria, in Zambia. Next year is election, but PF has already started campaigning today. PF is campaigning today. Hakainde was speaking on radio. Hakainde was speaking on radio the other day. PF cadres went and disrupted it. You that call yourself UPND youths, what did you do about it? You didn't do anything. You just balance on Facebook. You are too comfortable. If you are comfortable, you have already gotten what you want. Then forget about ruling. You can't rule with this type of thing. They don't fear you. They don't fear you. They don't fear you. Why are they not fearing you? Because you can't do anything. You are champions on Facebook and social media. That's what I was telling Hakainde Hichilema. Sir, you have already captured any right reasoning person in Zambia today. We vote for Hakainde Hichilema next year because PF has failed. But now, the people that have not yet been captured, how are we going to capture them? Are we going to capture them on Facebook? Are we going to capture them on internet? No, that's why I was saying the president, leave the Facebook, go to the office. Like, for example, things are coming out. Things that you know, an aggressive, if it was SATA, things that SATA will lay hand and make a case out of. Go to the offices. Somebody said he went to the offices and he was not allowed. No, forget about it. Go there. Go with cameras. Go with media. Any way they treated you, the people of Zambia will mark it. To say, okay, our president wanted to go and report a case, he was not allowed. It will sink on their head. If you want to watch Shia One's truth, if you want to be liberated from your mind, if you want to start enjoying your blessing as an African person, I want you to subscribe to this YouTube page. Subscribe to this YouTube page.
Alright, that's all right for you today, lovely viewers. If you did enjoy the video, please don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below. Tell me what you think about the video you just watched in the comment section below. I'll be super glad to hear from you, lovely viewers. Once again, I go by the name of Mutati Mpundu. I love you, peace, I gotta go.